How to fix Roblox gift card not working. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, I shall provide you with a detailed guidance on addressing issues that may arise when your Roblox gift card fails to operate as anticipated. So let's delve deeply into the steps required to rectify this matter. Firstly, it is imperative to ensure that you input the code correctly or accurately in the designated box in the roblox.com/redeem. You shall also take the necessary precautions to verify the code and prevent any potential mistakes. In the event that the gift card was given to you by a friend, kindly request them to validate the code as well. Certain that the code is indeed correct, proceed to check the operational status of the Roblox service and for updates on the current status of the Roblox service. You may refer it to Twitter or any other platform. So these are the primary factors that could potentially be contributing to the issue at hand. And if you want help with the Microsoft Rewards, you can contact the Microsoft Rewards support and seek for their assistance. So it is my sincere hope that this information provides beneficial in effectively resolving the matter at hand. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.